Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick update on ETH. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As you clearly see, ETH has been overall bullish, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising broadening wedge. However, it's currently approaching the upper bound of the wedge, which is also a very strong ground number, and the resistance 3K. If you zoom into H4 time frame, and as per my last analysis, I've been waiting for a break above the 2420 to expect the bulls to take over, and then I've mentioned that we remain in control unless we see a break below the 2670, which was the previous major high. Anyway, price kept on trading higher, and we are currently approaching this upper band, which I consider an overbought zone because it's the intersection of this rising broadening wedge, a flat one, and the rising broadening wedge that we see in brown on weekly time frame, and also the 3K. So this zone is the intersection of three rejection zones, which makes it a massive resistance, overbought, and so on. So as we approach it, we'll be expecting the bears to kick in for one more correction till this demand zone and the 2670, the previous major high. Anyway, if you zoom into H1 time frame to get a feeling about the overall current trend, we can see that we have been bullish, of course, from a medium term perspective. If we zoom a little bit in, and currently we are in a parabolic movement upward, and it will remain bullish unless we see a break below this area around 2750. If you break it downward, the correction would start early to around this demand zone, as mentioned, around 2500. Meanwhile, and until we see this break, we would be overall bullish, and we can still push higher and higher. And we also have a fourth intersection here. So we already have the 3K, upper brown trend line, upper blue trend line, and upper orange trend line. This would be a massive zone to expect a rejection from the zone. But of course, meanwhile, we are bullish, and we can still test it before pushing lower. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully on the next one.